depending upon the plane of cleavage, if it is divided into 4 types: meridional, vertical, equatorial and latitudinal. What are these? The Jabardast term I am speaking. So let's see. Suppose this is the cell, okay, and remember I said something there is called animal pole. See, if it is a yolky egg, it is we can easily identify the animal as vegetal pole, because the pole where yolk is there, that is called the vegetal pole, just like north and south pole of earth we have, okay. So if the plane of cleavage passes exactly through the animal vegetal pole and divides the zygote into 2 equal parts, this will be meridional cleavage, okay. Now second is, if in the same case it is going through along the animal pole and vegetal pole, but it is not passing exactly through that, ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है, exactly वहाँ से नहीं जा रहा है. So this kind of a cleavage will be called as, or this plane is called vertical cleavage, ठीक है. What it will be? It is vertical cleavage. Now third part which is there, or third type, depending upon the plane of cleavage. See, I talked, these are the poles, animal pole, this is vegetal pole. So if the plane of cleavage goes right through the equator, okay, earth का equator है ना, if the plane of cleavage goes through that, it is equatorial. क्या है ये? Equatorial cleavage है. And the fourth part or fourth type is the latitudinal cleavage. उसमें क्या होगा? Same to that. This is animal pole, vegetal pole. This is the equator. So the plane of cleavage will not fall exactly on the equator, either below or above that. This is called latitudinal cleavage. ठीक है? So these are the types of cleavage based on the plane of cleavage. Now next we will move into the types of cleavage based on the pattern of cleavage. So based on pattern of cleavage, we have two major types, that is holoblastic and meroblastic. So based on pattern, we have two types, meroblastic and holoblastic. क्या है? Holoblastic and meroblastic. So holoblastic is the type of, as you can see the name hollow means complete. So this kind of a cell division is complete. So if I say these are the two cells, ठीक है, I'll take two blue markers. So if this was the cell and it is dividing, so it's dividing and it is complete. Complete two cells are formed, that is the holoblastic. But in case of meroblastic, the cell division is incomplete. The entire egg doesn't divide, or entire zygote doesn't divide, and that condition occurs in case of cells which have, okay, what is the shape of the zygote? I was drawing oval like this, that's why you are confused or what? It's circular. It's a cell. Ovum is a cell. Fine. So that will be the shape of the zygote. Oval, round shape. So now holoblastic is complete and meroblastic is incomplete, and meroblastic is incomplete because this will be found in organism who have macrolacethal egg, जहाँ yolk बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो it is very difficult to divide the yolk. ठीक है? Now in holoblastic itself we have a number of types. First one is radial, second one is spiral, and third one is rotational. ठीक है, these are the three types of cleavage. Now in case of radial, what will happen? If you see, okay, in case of radial, this is the zygote. So first you have the meridional plane, so you have 2 cells. Again they will get divided, so you have 4 cells. Now next plane of division will be exactly from the center. So if I say ki this is the 4 cells, first 4 cells formed. Okay, if this is the first 4 cells formed, the next 4 will be exactly behind it. Behind means lower to that. Here I am drawing it like that. You do not get confused that the 2 cells are of 2 different sizes. It is superimposed. Okay, just behind these 4, another 4 are there. Okay, so that condition, and that is called radial. Okay, and this is generally found in all deuterostomes. Deuterostomes are the organisms wherein during course of development first anus is formed, okay, instead of mouth. So they are deuterostomes, and the examples will be Echinodermata, Amphioxus, hemichordates. Okay, spiral cleavage is if this is the zygote, the axis will be slightly tilted. Okay, so these are the 2 cells. Now the second axis will be this. So you have this is the 4 cell stage. Again the next 4 will not be exactly behind it, this next division, it will be like this. If this is the cell, since it is spiral, the positioning will be like this. These are the next 4. But the position, see here it is exactly, the plane of division is such that it is exactly below that, but here it is not. Fine. So this kind of a cleavage is called spiral cleavage, and this is found in protostomes. In proteostomes, the mouth is formed first. Okay. Next is rotational. So rotational is a bit different. In this, the first is fine, it is meridional, you have 2 cell stage. So this is 1 cell, this is second cell, but the second division and then third will be different. They will be at right angles to each other. Okay. So as a result, what will happen? First this is there, so this is dividing. Now you have this 3 cells, and next this will divide. So this condition will be like this. You have 2 cells here and 2 cells will lie like this. So this kind of a division is rotational, and this is found in case of mammals. Okay. And this can also be called as asynchronous. Why asynchronous? See here you have 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Yahan kya hai? 1 to 2, you have a transient 3 cell stage also. So that's why it is called asynchronous. Now in this case, in case of meroblastic, again we have 2 types, discoidal and what? Superficial. Discoidal and superficial type of. So since I said it is found in macrolecithal egg, so in that what will happen? See, if this is the egg, this is the yolk part, major part is yolk, and you have very small cytoplasm. So cell division is restricted to this part only. So this kind of division will be called as discoidal, and this is generally found in the birds where you have macrolecithal, birds and reptiles. Okay? And superficial is found in the eggs where the yolk is located centrally, centrolecithal egg. So in that case, what will happen? The division is taking place towards the periphery. So this is superficial division, and this is found in insects. Okay? So these are the different types of cleavage. Again there is, depending upon the fate of blastomere, we have 2 more types, and they are determinate and indeterminate. ठीक है, क्या क्या है, डिटर्मिनेंट एंड इनडिटर्मिनेंट. Who is saying mammals will have discoidal cleavage? Mammalian egg is not macrolecital, it is alecital. So determinant is if the fate of the every micrometer is decided. Fate decide होने का मतलब क्या है, future is decided, किसको क्या बनना है. अगर नर्सरी में ही तुम्हें पता था कि you are going to be a doctor, you were determinant at that time only. Okay, but in nursery if you had all the capacity to become everything, you were indeterminate. ठीक है, so indeterminate kind of this is found in case of mammals. Like in case of humans, the division will be indeterminate. In case of lower organisms, division is determinant. ठीक है, like in case of echinoderms, the division is determinant. ठीक है, so these are the different types of cleavage.